Welcome to your Lean Six Sigma journey. In this episode, I'm breaking down the basics of Lean Six Sigma in simple terms, with real-world examples, so you can start applying these concepts right away. First, let's unpack the name. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful combination of two improvement philosophies. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, anything that doesn't add value to the customer. Six Sigma, on the other hand, targets reducing variation and defects, anything that causes errors or dissatisfaction. Together, Lean Six Sigma aims to deliver better quality, faster service, and greater customer satisfaction at a lower cost. Now, what exactly is Six Sigma? It's both a methodology to improve processes and a statistical concept representing process capability. The term Six Sigma means a process is so well controlled that it produces no more than 3.4 defects per million opportunities. That's 99.99966% perfect. For example, on Amazon's Cyber Monday, 36.8 million orders were processed. At 5 Sigma, there would be around 8,574 errors. At 6 Sigma, only about 125 errors. That's a cost difference of over $295,000 in one day. Next, let's talk about Lean. Lean thinking comes from Toyota and focuses on waste elimination to improve speed and efficiency. There are 7 types of waste, or MODA, to watch out for: media group, factory with excessive inventory, workers waiting, animation illustrating 7 types of waste at stock at distribute _equally, overproduction, inventory, motion, waiting, overprocessing, defects, and transportation. For example, if 4 people are involved in making and serving a hot dog but one person could do it all faster, that's waste of motion and people. So why combine Lean and Six Sigma? Individually both are powerful, but together they eliminate waste, Lean, and reduce variation, Six Sigma, improving speed, quality, and customer satisfaction. The combined approach is more practical, balanced, and scalable for any industry, from healthcare to manufacturing to IT. Who uses Lean Six Sigma? Startups to optimize operations, hospitals to reduce patient wait times, airlines to improve safety and reduce costs, and even government agencies to improve public services. In short, any business that wants to do better with less. Lean Six Sigma isn't just a set of tools, it's a way of thinking. Always put the customer first. Always look for continuous improvement. Make data-driven decisions, not gut-based ones. There's also a belt system in Lean Six Sigma, just like in martial arts. Media group, martial arts belts, business team training, animated text. Belt system in Lean Six Sigma, stocky distribute equally. White belt for basic awareness, yellow belt to understand terms and participate in small projects, green belt to lead small projects, black belt as a full-time project leader, and master black belt as an expert coach, trainer, and strategist. So why learn Lean Six Sigma? It gives you better processes, happier customers, lower costs, higher profits, and career growth. Whether you're an engineer, analyst, business owner, or student, Lean Six Sigma makes you better at what you do. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, like this video, subscribe for more free lessons, and download your free Lean Six Sigma cheat sheet in the description below.